The temperature outside is 28 degrees. It's expected to drop 34 during the night. What will the temperature be after it drops 34 degrees? So outside we have temperature 28 degrees. It's positive number. We don't have to write positive. And expected to drop because dropped. So we have to subtract this 34 degrees. And now when we have subtraction of two numbers, first number is smaller than the other, we then can change the subtraction to addition of opposite. So 28 we copy, we have plus, opposite to 34 is negative 34. And now when we have one positive, one negative number, we first check which of these two numbers is greater. 34 is greater than 28. We forgot about this negative sign. We compare the numbers 24 and 34. 34 is greater than 28. Next, we check the sign before the greater number is negative. So we copy negative sign and we open parentheses. We subtract from the greater number smaller. So this is equal. Negative sign we have to copy. 34 minus 28 is 6. So the temperature will be negative 6 degrees. This is my solution.